Ayun, ang dami in order ni ma'am. Pauwi na kay ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you ma'am, buti nakita mo kami ma'am.
Kasi,
Ay ma'am, mochiban. Sige ma'am, siya na magbigay sa'yo ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Pwede mo siyang hawakan ma'am para may idea kayo sa texture niya. Ikaw ma'am, gusto mo rin hawakan? Ano yung sa inyo ma'am? Anything else ma'am? 130 lang ma'am. How would you like to pay ma'am? Gcash or plastic ka pa o hand carry ka na? Plastic. Pingi plastic nga na maliit. Nandito yata yun eh. Maliit. Yan. Yan. 120 to 130 po ma'am. Ganun siya ma'am. Nalista ko na yun. Dito ka na Angel. Kay ma'am sa likod. Thank you ma'am. Ma'am siya nasa yun. Pasapin mo yun nandun. Pasapin mo yun. Thank you ma'am.
Which one? Yung dalawang pala yung na parang
Sa picture ka ba nun? Pakita mo kay ma'am. Hello ma'am.
isang chocolate.
Anything else ma'am? 130 na ma'am. Gcash ka ba ma'am? Plastic ka pa ma'am or hand carry ka na lang? Okay. Lagay ko na lang dito ma'am. Sige ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Where would you like to send ma'am? Any ba yan ma'am? Pwede dito na lang kung any na lang. Sige ma'am. Kung wala namang fee ma'am. Mas mabilis kasi to check eh. Thank you ma'am ha. Wait lang sir ha. Wait lang po. Pili ka lang.
Basta hindi ka na yung matamis, hindi mo
Healthy sir pag sugar free, di ba? Kunyari healthy.
Lahat ng food nagiging sugar daw eh. Isang ganito, no?
Okay naman. Na-double check ka na. Okay na pa. Thank you ma'am. Ay, ano yung mga kinuha ni sir? Susulat ko lang. Sabihin mo na. Aha. Yun lang? Dalawa lang? Tingnan po.
Isang coffee bag.
Anything else po?
Yun lang.
Okay, 120 lang po. Scan dito lang. Coffee. Nasaan yung coffee dito? Hand carry na lang po kayo. Or 120 lang po.
Pero accessories lang. Pero wala po siyang feeding. Wala pong feeding. Wala pong palaman.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
Ako sir, peach mango lemon lime.
Bali, magkano ka ma'am? Sige, ako na dito.
Oo, yung tatlo. Para sa mga diabetic na, taas na rin yung sugar namin, balik kami dito. Chia, walnut.
At hindi nagsascan ma'am. Sorry ma'am. Sorry. 120 lang ma'am. Wala na daw kayo second item ma'am. Have you seen this before ma'am? Sa TikTok? Thank you ma'am. Do you want to be there din ma'am? Hi ka ma'am. Hello. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko pa nakita ma'am. Okay lang. Tignan ko muna. Thank you ma'am.
Ano po yung yung best seller niyo na?
Bukod dun sa pinili mo ma'am. Like blueberry, coffee, lemon yan. Yung ma-recommend ko. Nagdagdag sila.
Pwede po ba mag-reserve? Or
For when ma'am? Today din?
today din?
Sige ma'am. Tapos babayaran mo na ngayon ma'am. Sige po ma'am. Sure. We can do that. What time will you come back ma'am?
Maybe around
An hour, 2 hours later. Parang ganun.
2
Oh,
hours.
2 hours. Sige, 2 hours.
Chia po yung dinagdag.
Ma'am, hawakan mo lang siya ma'am.
Yes po, pwede niyo po hawakan.
Chia dinagdag.
Chia, yun lang po yung dinagdag.
Magkano total?
Magkano po yung mochi sa loob?
340 yun.
Parang bread po siya, tapos may mochi sa loob. Ito po yung may mochi sa loob.
Ganito
Tapos
yung, ma'am, okay lang sa harapan ko. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung itsura niya sa ma'am.
Saan po?
I mean, ito ma'am. Ganito siya ma'am.
Okay.
Ayan. Para you know the...
Kuya, 3 best sellers. Ano po lemon?
Can I recommend yung box ko na lang? 450 lang kasi yun. Tapos I'll put for our bestseller. Would you like that? Sige po ma'am. I-arrange ko na lang. When you come back, ano na lang. Malis.
Which one po yung best seller?
Ito yung marirecommend. May matanda ba doon? Like sugar free ma'am? Diabetic?
Wala naman.
Then ito na lang. Kung gusto mo tong apat to, yan ma-recommend ko. Or isama mo si coffee, pwede rin. Strawberry, chocolate, coffee, tsaka lemon. Yan. Yan na lang apat ma-recommend ko sa'yo ma'am.
Ano na lang? Regular,
Ah.
blueberry, and
So itong dalawa, tsaka ito, Coffee? Last one? Apat kasi ma'am, 450. Sayang din.
450.
Yes ma'am. So makales ka nun ma'am. Pili ka lang ma'am.
Can I try the strawberry one?
Oh, sure. Sure.
Looks like a pillow.
Looks like a actually feels like a pillow as well. Yan o.
Kahit tomorrow, malambot pa.
Yes ma'am. Huwag mo lang iwan naka-open kasi magda-dry out siya, di ba ma'am?
So, tapos maganda yung hindi masyadong toasted.
Ako personally gusto ko toasted. Eh. So personal preference yan ma'am.
Wait for
Ayun, ganyan siya itsura
review.
niya. Ito ma'am oh. Sige ma'am, you can try it. Tsaka I use real fruits ma'am. So don't expect na matamis siya ma'am.
I just wanted to try.
Oh. Real fruits yung gamit ko dyan ma'am. Oh. Thank you ma'am.
Gumagawa rin kasi ako ng bread.
Ano talaga siya ma'am. Tsaga-tsaga lang talaga ma'am. Malambot siya ma'am. Oh. Tsaka hindi siya matamis. Yun yung gusto ko kasi ma'am eh.
It's not sweet, no?
Oh. Tsaka real fruits gamit ko ma'am.
Ano oras ka gumigising every day?
Actually, kagabi 10 nag-start na kami. 10. Normally midnight kami nagsa-start. Pero nagkataon marami kaming ginagawa so we move back a bit pa.
So every day you're here?
Everyday yun ma'am. Everyday walang tulog din ma'am.
I'm sure
you take naps naman along the way pero power na.
Madalas naman ako nag-grow kami yung
If you want ma'am, may glorieta rin kami ma'am. Alam mo yung second floor, sofa ma'am. Yung papuntang SM Makati, papuntang SM Makati. Tsaka may siya, yung strawberry niya mismo parang may bits konti yan. Kasi real fruits gamit namin dyan ma'am.
Saka 120 lang siya.
Yes ma'am, ganun ang kalaki ma'am.
Thank you so much. I'll buy again.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Okay, so...
Kamusta yung taste ma'am?
It's good naman.
It's good ma'am, thank you ma'am.
I've been looking for this.
Okay. Are you from La Salva ma'am by any chance?
Yeah. I used to be
Pero not
senior
anymore.
high, yeah.
College, hindi pa?
I'm already in college, but I transferred. So,
I was going to ask your ID number sana eh. Pero I don't know.
I'm 122.
May ID number din sa senior high. 106 ako ma'am.
Okay.
Hindi, I'll be back kasi there sa February.
Master.
For the bazaar.
Oh, okay.
Di ba may December bazaar, Valentine's bazaar,
Oh my God, yeah.
University.
Yeah, you should.
123. So 2 years ka na sa college mo.
Yes, second year.
Second year.
Okay, so, kuya wala pong ube for this?
Hindi, ube ko yung nandun eh.
Okay. I'll just get strawberry na lang din.
Mag-email na lang siya, yun yung Yun yung Nandun yung email eh, nandun sa plastic. Pakita mo yung plastic ha. Yung sinabi niya kanina, will you order that?
Yes.
And then, would you like to add one more or ito na? Chocolate, peach, mango, blueberry.
That's all.
Okay. Tabi ko naman, baka maubusan ka nun eh. Kasi we sell out fast talaga nun. Pero, have you seen this sa TikTok or sa Reels?
TikTok.
Oh.
It's always on my page. And
Peach, blue, tsaka
I
chocolate.
always go back and forth to Singapore. So sometimes it would be on my page then. And then I was like, should I find this in Singapore? Or like, matsapuhan ko na lang in Philippines. But
Try the Singapore branch din ma'am if you have time. Where do you usually stay ba there? Orchard area, ganun? Orchard. Have you heard Jurong Point? Jurong is, if you want, you can go there.
saan ba yung mga branches din?
Expo, ma'am, sa Singapore. Expo Station is right after Changi City Point eh. Changi City Airport eh. And then yung Jurong East, medyo malayo na yun, ma'am.
Yeah.
Kembang, I think, Serangoon, meron din Serangoon. Most of their branches are far away.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's fine.
Kasi he told me the rent from the city is too much
Yeah,
eh. Too much daw. Bag nga, You won't add one more, ma'am, no? So I can put it on the box.
So the mango.
Mango, blueberry.
The strawberry. Is it pork?
Yes, for. Pengi din ako box, naka-box to. Thank you, mama. Thank you sa support.
Kuya, baka kahit ugly yan na video.
Hindi yan. Ayun, no. Wala pang makeup yan, di ba, mama? All natural.
Yeah, kasi I have to go to the derma.
Dito rin, ma'am, sa Wanayala.
In Belo.
Downstairs.
Yeah,
Downstairs.
yeah.
Downstairs.
How much po yung box?
450 lang. What's your name again, ma'am? Sulat ko lang.
Ishi.
Ishi. I-S-H-I. What a unique name, ma'am. Do you want me to follow up you pag whenever, if for example after 2 hours you're still not here? Di okay lang, ma'am. Okay na. Sige, ma'am. I'll follow up you na lang. Is it the same number as Gcash, ma'am?
Yes.
Text na lang kita later. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye po, ma'am. Bye-bye. Naubos na. Grabe, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Tuloy-tuloy.